My Trekology walking poles arrived today and they are useless. As you see, they are completely different lengths. One of them is comprised of 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. These will separate if I pull them apart. This is comprised of 4 sections, but this is not connected to the pole. And the connecting wire is disconnected from the handle. Completely useless. I need them for the Great North Run on Sunday because I've injured my knee and I am grossly disappointed. Everything arrived in a nice bag, a nice box, with instructions which are, well, turgid to say the least. Very hard to understand. As you see, it tells you to do all this sort of thing, none of which I can possibly do because it's not connected. So I would like to send them back, and I'd like some more very, very quickly because I'll need them on Sunday in Newcastle on time. Thanks.
Is that the trail over there? Yeah. You took it over to the rocks.